Hello everyone, today I solve this problem. A plus b plus c is equal to 6, a plus 3c is equal to 11, a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a, b, c? So it is first equation, it is second equation, and it is third equation. Now, first equation minus third equation. Now first equation is a plus b plus c is equal to 6, and third equation is a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Now change sign, so here is minus, here is plus, minus. Now v, 2v is equal to 3v, and a minus a is equal to 0, c minus c is equal to 0, and 6. Now I can say easily v equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. Now v is equal to 2, b equal to 2. Now first equation is a plus b plus c is equal to 6 and b equal to 2. So now I can say easily a plus 2 plus c is equal to 6, a plus c is equal to 6 minus 2, a plus c is equal to 4. So a plus c is equal to 4. It is a fourth equation. Now I can say easily the second equation is a plus 3c is equal to 11, and here is it a plus c equal to 4. Now I multiply both sides 3, so now I can say easily 3a plus 3c is equal to 12, and this equation is a plus 3c is equal to 11. Now I subtract this equation, so here is plus, this is minus, minus, minus. Now I can say easily 3c is cancel, and 3a minus a equal to 2a, and 12 minus 11 equal to 1. Now I can say a equal to half, a equal to half, and b is equal to 2. Now a plus 3c equal to 11, and a equal to half plus 3c is equal to 11. Now 3c equal to 11 minus half. Now 3c equal to 2, 22 minus 1, and c is equal to 6 by 21, and c is equal to 7 by 2. Now justify. First equation, a plus b plus c is equal to 6. So a is half plus b is 2, and c 7 by 2 is equal to 6. Now 2, 1 plus 4 plus 7, 6. Now 12 by 2 equal to 6, and 6. A plus 3c equal to 11. Now I can say a equal to half plus 3c equal to 7 by 2 equal to 11. Now half plus 21 by 2 is equal to 11, by 2 equal to 11, and 11 equal to 11. And third equation is a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Here is a equal to half minus 2 into b equal to 2 plus c is equal to 7 by 2 equal to 0. Now half minus 4 plus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Now 2, 1 minus 8 plus 7 equal to 0. Now I can say 7 plus 1 equal to 8, 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So now I can say 0 equal to 0. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel.